In Enscape toolbar we have two functions: Material Library and Material Editor. And both of these functions work with SketchUp material. In this video we will find out Enscape workflow with SketchUp. In the Material Library, we have a lot of great materials that we can use. There are available 425 materials by category: brick, concrete, fabric up to wood. In this condition, to use that material, we can select any category we want and click Import Selection. When we import material, we download into the computer, and it will import into SketchUp. We can close. We use the Paint Bucket tool, and we apply material. The material in the Enscape library is high quality, but its resolution is low, 1K or up to 2K. This is the standard in Real-Time engine. We use 1K or 2 resolution. Another condition in the material editor: we can replace material with Enscape material. And we select the material we want to replace. We just select any material that we can use. In this condition, when we select in Enscape, it will update for us to see. But in SketchUp is not, until we select Replace. Enscape contains keywords that enable we create material fast. But I do not recommend us to use on the keyword. We can use the material library or we create our own. Example of this place: we have material floor. But when we give it a name with the word water, here we see that it does not work. Maybe it is stuck. Override in Material Editor. So we look at another one. When we apply material from SketchUp instead, can be set as a color. And we call it water. So our material is going to recognize water. Grass. Our material becomes material grass. And if we look with the material editor, is it like a preset? In Enscape, in addition to using keywords, we have a type called or as a template. In this, each material is for specific on material type. Generic is a common material. Carpet, it's like grass, but we use with carpet. We have a clear coat. Foliage material for leaves, or translucent material. Self-illumination water glass. We change to glass. Its color when we use preset glass. We use white. When it is black, it will look like there is no refraction. We use white, opacity. Generally, we can use between about 10% or 15%. And one of the best features available in next generation SketchUp is photoreal material. In SketchUp 2026, as we enter the material containing the textures, can be said that we select a material brick. We see albedo on this. And when we material in edit, when we apply material, we will see more maps. Roughness with normal and ambient occlusion. Ambient occlusion is a black and white map, but it does not support with Enscape. This map has no effect on the material. What it affects is the upper material supported with Enscape. And its parameter is it synchronized with the same Enscape. This option we call photoreal material. Apparently it is a type of PBR material. We see this roughness place. We use map so this value. When we modify, we see the price on this walk too, but in Enscape it has no effect. Follow it with this map. Normal map. When we modify, yes, it will affect with normal map. This new feature will help us as a SketchUp user. Make it easy to work first. Previously, there was no photoreal material option. The texture that we apply to the bottom may disappear when we copy SketchUp to open a new file. Only in later version with photoreal material, we can modify its parameters. SketchUp material